Back here again. Currently have the kid in the ignition. Trying to start it up. Trying to do something. Now it'll do that a little longer each time. Somebody's trying to call me while I'm recording a video. This is crap. So I tested the map sensor with the multimeter, a little Harbor Freight multimeter. And map sensor's fine, except for I'm getting a code 14 with the, ODB or whatever. So one, 2, it's 12 for the battery. 1, 2, 3, oh, it's gonna be 55. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh, that's strange. So I'm getting no engine codes, it cuts off when I give it the throttle. Like even now. Maybe not. Man, what the fuck?